A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we all have completed the chapter constructions, okay, so today we are going to start the new chapter, which is Heron's formula. And as I've already told you, the second exercise, which is 12.2, it is deleted from the syllabus this year, so only one exercise we have to do. Okay, so we'll just do it. So first of all, I will introduce the formula. So you all know the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Okay, so area of any triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. Now suppose in a triangle, if height is not given to you but the three sides are given, then you use a different formula, which is called Heron's formula, for calculating area. And since this formula was introduced by an Egyptian mathematician, okay, so on his name, the name has been written as Heron's formula. The formula is given by square root of, you can see here, s in bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So where a, b and c are first of all the sides of a triangle, and s is the semi perimeter. Okay, so where S is the semi-perimeter and the sides A, B, C are the three different sides of any triangle. The triangle can be an equilateral triangle, it can be isosceles, it can be scalene or right triangle. If three sides are given and you have to find out the area, then you will use Heron's formula. So the first exercise, which is 12.1, basically it uses Heron's formula for calculating the practical life applications or the triangle. So the first question is given that in front of a school, a signal board is there, which is of the form of an equilateral triangle, okay, in which it is written school ahead. एक equilateral triangle है, okay, जिसकी side आपको दी है A. So the side of the equilateral triangle, okay, it is A. So since this is equilateral triangle, that means all the three sides are equal, okay, and its perimeter is given to you 180 centimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the three sides is 180 degree. That means 3 into A is 180 degree. So using this formula, we can calculate A is 60 degree. No, sorry, 60 centimeter. So the side of the equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. Understood? Now you have to find out the area of this equilateral triangle. Now since this is an equilateral triangle, you have a special formula for calculating area of an equilateral triangle, which is given by, you can see I have written over here, root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, so root 3 upon 4 a square. So using this formula, also you can calculate, but here I am using the Heron's formula. Okay, you can just verify your answer by both the formula. So for calculating area, first of all the thing will be semi-perimeter, and as we know semi-perimeter is just half of the perimeter. तो आपको तीनों sides को दोबारा add करके then divided by 2 करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Directly perimeter is given to you 180 centimeter, half of it will be 90 centimeters. Okay, so semi-perimeter is coming 90 centimeter, and now just put the value of S and A. A is 60 and S is 90. Now since this is an equilateral triangle, so instead of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, you can write it as S minus A cube, okay, because it is coming 3 times. So it will be 90 into 90 minus 60, which gives you 30. So 30 cube. And when you will solve it, no need to multiply this, you know. So this will be 30 into 30 into 30, and this will be 30 into 3. So 2 times 30 will come out root 3, which is 900 root 3 centimeters square. And again I'm repeating, in this question it is nowhere given that you have to use Heron's formula. So you can use this area formula also directly, and then you can calculate the area, but the answer will be same, 900 root 3 centimeter square. So now we'll see the next question. So in the next question, as you can see, I have written the details. It is given that on a highway, okay, a triangular flyover is there whose dimensions are given to you. Three sides of the flyover hai aapka ek, and the flyover is in the form of a triangle, okay, whose three sides are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. एंड उस जो फ्लाईओवर का ट्राइंगुलर रीजन है, इन दैट रीजन वन एडवर्टाइजमेंट हैज़ बीन पोस्टेड. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट. नाउ यू नो एडवर्टाइजमेंट का कॉस्ट जो होगा इट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड एरिया वाइज. So whatever cost thing is there we'll see later on. So first of all we'll calculate the area. Now you can see in this case you can use only Heron's formula because the three sides are given, height is not given to you, and this is a scale and triangle also. So you will use Heron's formula. For that you calculate first the semi perimeter, which is a plus b plus c upon 2, and don't forget to write the formula all the time, because you know in mathematics steps carry marks. Okay, so this using this formula we have calculated that the value of S is 132 meters. Okay, semi perimeter is coming 132 meters. Now you will use Heron's formula, which is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So these are the calculation, you can just see. Okay, so this will be 130 into 10 into 110 into 12, and it is always my advice that whenever something is under the square root, instead of multiplying and then again doing prime factorization, it's better to factorize the terms and then taking out the common things. Okay, then आपका जो multiplication है वो ज़्यादा complicated बन जाएगा. So it's always better कि आप जो भी terms हैं उनको आप फैक्टराइज करें और जो उसके कॉमन टर्म्स हैं यू कैन जस्ट टेक इट आउट. फॉर एग्जांपल 132 विल बिकम 11 into 12 and 110 will become 10 into 11. And now you can just see 10 is coming 2 times, 11 is coming 2 times, 12 is coming 2 times. So the answer for the area is 1320 meter square. तो ये क्या है? The triangular flyover which was in the form of a triangle, उस triangular flyover का जो area है it is 1320 meter square. Now what is given to you कि one company has hired that flyover for putting their advertisement, and the advertisement cost is rupees 5000 per meter square for 1 year. Okay, एक ईयर के लिए 5000 है, and the company is hiring this flyover only for 3 months. Okay, not for the full year. So what will be the rent to be paid by the company? So answer will be rent to be paid by company for 3 months will be, first of all आप एक month का rent calculate करेंगे which will be 5000 divided by 12. Then into area ये आ जाएगा एक month का cost. And for how many months the company is hiring? For 3 months. So you will just multiply it by 3. So the answer will be this one. Okay. So it is in front of you. So 16,50,000. So this is the total cost. So I hope all of you have understood the question and you all have understood how to apply Heron's formula for calculating areas of triangle. Okay, so complete these questions in your notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you.